Managing founder pay and profit distribution can feel like walking a tightrope. It's essential to strike a balance that keeps the business running smoothly while compensating the founders fairly. But there's a catch. It's not just about paying yourself or the other founders a good salary. You've got to account for the long-term health of the business, taxes, and making sure there's enough capital to fuel growth. Stick with me, and I'll show you the best tools to make this process as smooth as possible. Now, there's something you need to understand before we dive in. Most videos out there are sponsored by affiliate links, and you end up hearing what they want you to hear. That's not the case here. I'm not incentivized by commissions to sell you anything. The tools I'm about to mention are purely based on their effectiveness in helping you manage your founder pay and profit distribution. So let's get into it. Let's start with the first essential tool, QuickBooks Self-Employed. If you're managing the day-to-day finances of your company, QuickBooks is a godsend. It's designed specifically for business owners who need to keep track of income and expenses, but it does more than just that. For managing founder pay, QuickBooks helps you set up payroll and allocate profits efficiently, so you never have to guess how much you're paying yourself versus saving for reinvestment. One of its best features is its tax tracking, which automatically calculates what you owe, so you don't have to scramble during tax season. It's like having a full-time accountant without the price tag. Now, if your business is a bit larger and you're dealing with multiple founders, profit sharing, or stock options, you're going to need something more sophisticated. This is where Gusto comes in. It's a payroll tool that's easy to use, but it also does the heavy lifting when it comes to managing equity distribution. Gusto allows you to automate your payroll and benefits management while tracking equity compensation, making sure that every founder gets their fair share based on agreed-upon terms. Plus, Gusto's reporting helps you keep an eye on things like profit margins and cash flow, ensuring that your distribution doesn't throw the business off balance. Speaking of cash flow, if you want to manage your founder pay while staying ahead of potential financial pitfalls, Float is a tool worth looking into. Float connects with your accounting software and gives you real-time visibility into your company's cash flow projections. It helps you plan ahead, so you're not just flying by the seat of your pants every time payday rolls around. With Float, you can simulate different pay structures, figure out how much profit you should be distributing, and ensure you have enough in reserve for reinvestment or unforeseen expenses. It's one of those tools that works in the background, but if you weren't using it, you'd quickly realize how much it saved you from financial chaos. Now, this next tool is a game changer if you're serious about managing your profit distribution and paying yourself correctly. It's called Xero, and it's an all-in-one accounting platform that's particularly effective at handling complex financial structures. Xero allows you to create custom pay schedules, allocate profit shares, and even manage taxes with ease. What makes Xero stand out is its ability to integrate with various apps, so you can track the impact of founder pay decisions across your entire business ecosystem. It's one of those tools that seamlessly adapts to your growth, whether you're just starting out or running a large-scale company. And then, there's something I'm sure you've heard of but probably haven't explored to its full potential: Zapier. Most people think of Zapier as just an automation tool, but when used correctly, it can help automate your founder pay and distribution processes as well. For example, you could set up a workflow that triggers a payment or an allocation of profits each time certain conditions are met in your accounting system. The beauty of Zapier is its ability to integrate with hundreds of other tools, from QuickBooks to Gusto to Xero, which means you can automate the entire process of paying yourself and your co-founders while tracking every detail effortlessly. Finally, let's talk about Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. This isn't software, but it's a methodology that's completely revolutionized how many entrepreneurs think about profit distribution. The core principle is simple: pay yourself first. With Profit First, you allocate a percentage of your revenue to different buckets: founder pay, profit, taxes, and operating expenses. The method forces you to prioritize profit before anything else, which is incredibly important if you want to avoid overspending and ensure long-term sustainability. You don't need any fancy software to implement Profit First, but combining it with the tools I've mentioned earlier will ensure that you have the financial discipline to stick to the plan. If you found this video valuable and want to support content that doesn't have hidden incentives or affiliate commissions, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here to share real-world tools and strategies that can make a genuine difference in your business.